My name is Emily, and I have been with Susannah since, this year, but I've known her for a long time now. I've been watching her from afar when I was a student at university, and I worked for her for a little bit, but since then I've decided to join her mentoring program because I think it would really benefit myself in terms of knowledge, and I've seen her grow from her kitchen business to tabletop business up to where she is now, and it's very inspirational, very epic, it's almost like, and she's like a mum to me almost. But by joining the mentoring program, I thought I knew a bit from learning from outside everywhere, but coming to this mentoring group once a month has really kind of grounded me. So it's been about 6, 7, 8 months now since I've joined, and every month we come back, there's so much more we've learned. The people in the room is buzzing. Everyone wants to be successful. Everyone's in different places, but everyone wants to be successful, and I'm one of them. I may take my time a little bit because I'm taking my baby steps and I know where I am and how I feel about taking the next step. And Susie's always really clear about tasks, what do you need to do to get there. Know your end goal and then work backwards was very crucial for me. I've always said, well, what I have, and work bottom up, but actually I really need to think, these are my goals and how do I work to get there instead. Since then, I have pretty much tried to work out how to reduce my workload so that I can free up some time for myself so that I can do more in property. And I've learned that from the group because people have done it here, so I've learned to have the courage to do it myself, and it's okay to do it while I'm still able. The network around here in the room is amazing. People are not they're happy to share anything, pretty much. They're very helpful, they're very positive, and obviously they tell you the bad stuff as well, so they're quite frank, which I love because not everything is smooth, and as we said, Susannah always say you have to have grit, so the ability to get back up again when you get knocked, which I find is very difficult sometimes, and it really helps when other people have gone through it and you can talk about it together. That really is very invaluable, and I'll be contacting them after the program as well, because it's a network, you've built it and we're all connected. It's a very small world in the property investor world, but it's definitely a very buzzing one, and you keep growing. And Susie's definitely going to be around for a while, so we're definitely going to grow with her, hopefully. And yeah, I'm looking forward to learning more, and I don't think I'm going to stop until I'm wherever I want to be, but it's definitely been a very eye-opening journey. Every month there's something new, like I said, and the food is amazing, so they're very understanding as well, so anytime a problem comes up, it's like they've been there, they know it already, you don't even have to explain it, they understand, and they can direct you straight away what you need to do. So I think it's very worth the time and money. Thank you.